Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will see how to make an animated YouTube videos using ChatGPT. First, we will create a script for the video using ChatGPT, and then we will convert that script to an animated video by adding characters, background, and voiceovers. Let's get started. That are the steps that we will be following in this video. Step 1, creating the script. So, what should you do? You just need to open the ChatGPT tool on your browser. In ChatGPT, you just need to ask a question and write the query inside the send a message box. I want to write act as a YouTube title generator and give me more title suggestions and the topic less no. I just want to stop the generating of the titles. I just want to get this one, discovering art of glass blowing from sand to sculpture. Just copy it, act as a YouTuber, and create a script for the YouTube video and just paste it here. Press enter. Sure, here's a script for a video about discovering the art of glass blowing. Now our script has been ready, and what we need to do that in the second step, we just need to copy this script, and now this script will be converted into the animated video. I want to create an animated character for using this script. So the character will tells all kind of stuff here we get from an chat GPT. Go to this website for making an animated character animaker animaker.com. Create your first video. Now click on this. In next step, go towards in the Google. Just sign in from the Google. Just click on the name of your default workspace. I just want to create this one. I don't want to this, and just skip it and skip it. Finally, you go to the dashboard of animaker.com website. So this is not the dashboard. Actually, we need to go towards on click on this link dashboard. You will navigate towards in the dashboard. In the dashboard, we have a my projects dashboard and shared with me. Just click on the create button. Just click on the create option on the left side. Click on the create a character. Let's we select a character, and the character will move towards on the another tool window. Just click on this character. I just want this one character, and you can change the skin tone also. I will take this. Here should be looks like this one, and eyebrows will be look like this. Nose will be look like this. I think this one, and ears will be look like this. I just saved this character by giving the name Nama character, and just click on the save button. Yes, you want to save. I want to go towards the dashboard, and it will open to new tab. After that, just click on the create button again. It takes time to load this website. You can create a video. I just want this type of video like hello there and something like that. And you can create this video. You can select the template from this particular. You can say that here we have a Dr. Joy. I just click talk to Dr. Joy to get help. It is a video about to learn how to create a templates like this. I just remove it. Let's go. Skip to a. And here we have an animated character. If I want to play this video, so how it looks like this. So now you can see, are you feeling ill? Something like this. So this is the character movement. You can say that. I just want to change this content. Here you can change the content and you can add your own content which we get from the particular chat GPT. So this is the characters and this is the templates. Here we have a lots of templates. I just want to remove all kind of scenes here, and this one, this one, this one. So you can see here I have a scene one about the millisecond of 4, and I just want to get this one template and add all. So yeah, confirm it, override it. So here we have a frustration with the fragmented team communication. This one we can play this video. So you can see we have a movement of the character and something like this. What should I do? I will add the text which I get from the chat GPT, and sure, here is the script following glass blowing. I just want to copy it, and here I just want to add this, something like this. I just remove this one and this one. So this will be looks like this in the scene one. If scene two, are you hoping for a better solution? Yeah, that's cool. And here we have a text. Also, I just want to hi guys like this one. So you can edit all kind of stuff here, and if you want to see how can you get this, and you just need to export it like this, and you can change all kind of scene, don't worry. And a lots of scenes are here, so you can add your text which you get from the chat gpt and just add it here, and you can get the animated video which will be concatenated with the chat gpt. I get the script from the chat gpt, and I add this script in the animation templates. So we don't have enough time to make a full content of this video, so it will take a lots of time. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. So you can just get this from publish and just upload it video onto the youtube, and you can get the views or lots of views. If you want to see how can you get the particular title about your video, you just need to see we add this sand sculpture, this is the title of our video, and just add the tags according to this video, and you just need to upload it on the youtube. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and please give the comments about this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.